Why is the whole engine out of the car? I need to talk about what's wrong with his cars. Is he gonna have his car for Car Week? I don't know why I thought it was a good idea to ride today. It was not. It's so hot. You guys always say, oh, look at the R1M in the background. You never ride it. I do actually. Move on from here. We're at Ajax now.
What's up, dude?
I got a glass of water. I'm really thirsty.
1 olive or 2?
4 olives actually. Oh yeah, baby. We have some tea to spill today. A little bit of tea. Damon might not make it to Car Week. He will regardless, but his car might not make it. We need to go figure that out. Stay tuned.
My name is Jason. What the hell am I doing here today? For those of you who don't know who I am, I work for a company called Protective Film Solutions. We are hosting a Cars and Coffee tomorrow. Not just any Cars and Coffee, it's gonna be with emphasis on Ferraris. And not just any Ferraris. No, we had to take it to the next level, and we are bringing you the best of the best. So without further ado, this is what we have to look forward for tomorrow morning. Holy. Starting from the beginning over here, we've got a 488 from Bowden Auto House. We have the famous Vader Koenigsegg. Got another 488 we just finished up on. 812 Super Fast and BRG Super Rare. We have Iluso's Ferrari TDF, another TDF from one of our clients, 2 LaFerraris. You guys know Kevin Cyber Garage's 458 Challenge car.
Dave's Pikachu, my McLaren, is finally back from Canada, from Okanagan Dream Rally, thanks to Plycar, who's still over there unloading a couple other supercars. We just put like what, 1,600 miles in our cars in less than a week. Everybody else shipped their car. We are daily driven exotics, so we drove it all the way over there. We didn't even just take the 5, we took the coast, so we took the long scenic route. But those are an amazing last 5 days, so be sure to go check those vlogs out. This thing is huge. It's a moving house. POV.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hey, what's up?
Come on up. Welcome back to LA.
Y'all can have some clean cars next time? Golly, what y'all do? Murder everybody in Canada?
Dude, I thought my McLaren was bad, but this thing is bad.
What made it worse is after Damon's gear oil blew all over the front of it, I think every bug just stuck to it.
Oh yeah, so Damon's car blew up. I completely forgot about that. Damon's car literally, like, not even clickbait or exaggeration, quite literally blew up. Imagine he just floors it and just jumps off of it. That's what I'd do. Let's go, jump. The Eagle has landed.
Hey, what happened to your wall, Ryan? This is the new lobby. Say what's up, guys.
What's going on?
So the lobby's a little bit bigger than before Logan's new office.
I got the best office now.
He does.
How did you get a big office?
So we got Logan's desk. It doubled in size. Logan, it's insane. We've got the PFS aftercare product line. So now when you guys are asking for them, finally our website's going up and you're gonna be able to buy that online. We've got the DD page up there already. Sometimes you really gotta stop and like look at all these cars. I'm really blessed to be working for Protective Film Solutions and get to partner up with people like Damon and even Dave. Yes, you, Dave. We're gonna go and start moving some cars right now, guys. So let's fire it up. That Kevin's BRG 812 Superfast, lowered and wheeled from Bowden. We're gonna move the 570. It's been sitting here for a week now. Taking this up to Monterey in the next few days. Damon's putting together some epic rallies. I'm excited.
What's up, guys?
Get out of here, Logan.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Get out of here, move. I'm glad I'm not riding right now because that is not an easy car to be moving. I'm gonna do something I've always been wanting to do, which is finally get to drive Cyber Garage's 458 challenge car. Wait, look at this. Is Kevin's e-brake. He shoves a broomstick to stop the car from rolling back. One of these buttons will work, I know that. So he said something about turning it this way, and then
A cold start on a 458 challenge. Oh, let's get the e-brake. We officially have got the e-brake.
Well done.
Just like that, he's out.
wasn't bad, right? So Kevin's not the only one with the Ferrari Challenge car. 3 Motorsports brought over not one, but 2 Ferrari Challenge cars. They've got the 458 Challenge car, but they also have the new 488 Challenge car. This thing's ridiculous. It doesn't even have a door on it. I love 458 Challenge cars. These things are epic.
Damn, 2 LaFerraris. Ferrari F1 Red, Santa Rosa Corsa.
Past few months, and Logan's pulled some strings, got some of our clients to bring in some extraordinary cars, and of course the 2 tomorrow are going to be the 2 lofts. We have them dead set in the middle, and I'm running around in this section because tomorrow it's not going to be like this. It's going to be a zoo, and I probably won't even be able to see the cars. Damon, I know this is at the top of your list, but I don't know what you could do to them because they look so good as is. I mean, maybe a FXX style wing, lower it a little bit more, open up the exhaust, sheepy twin turbo on here. Who knows? But I love these cars. Damon, make it happen. Make it happen.
Monterey Blue GTR with a lot of carbon on it. I need to talk about what's wrong with his cars. Is he gonna have his car for car week?
The parts don't get here till Tuesday.
You know we leave Wednesday, right?
Is it you that looks worried?
No.
Okay, make it stop.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Someone's
Going.
excited. Someone's
Who's excited?
Is that the axle?
We're not calling it the clutch slayer anymore. It's been transferred to the axle slayer.
Oh, so it broke a clutch and an axle.
It didn't break the clutch.
Oh, the clutch is fine.
It sheared the axle so clean that it didn't make any noise.
Broken.
Yeah, it's gone.
There should be another one of these on the other end. See this? Should be, I don't know, another one on this side.
We could build a space elevator with all the axles you guys have broken.
There you go.
You can't just stick that in.
Here,
on
hold
that
on.
end?
We got some super glue. Oh, hold up, yeah. Oh, fixed! Done.
All right.
So this car's waiting on an axle.
It's waiting on a couple things.
Why is the whole engine out of the car? Not.
It's gonna get some sensors replaced, so it has a bad crank trigger.
So this right here, magnetic pickup, goes inside this hole. Flywheel spins, picks up.
So you're not replacing the clutch on this thing?
No, the clutch is actually pretty good. It's showing less than a millimeter of wear. Like about 3/4 of a millimeter.
Oh, I thought it was a clutch this whole entire time. He thought it was a clutch this whole entire time.
I know, because it broke that axle so clean that if usually when you broke an axle or when you break an axle, it sounds like you ran over a cement mixer. But when you break it that clean, it just sounds like your clutch is blown because the car doesn't go anywhere.
How long does it take to get a new axle from Italy?
3 weeks after Monterey, we'll have it here.
So Monterey's in 5 days.
Okay, so then we better get the lead out. What about the blown shock absorber right here?
Dude, this poor thing.
We blame
Was
you.
this like this before?
I don't remember. I never saw it up in the air.
Replace the crank sensor, which is on top of the engine. The whole engine needs to come out.
It also got new engine mounts because his engine mounts are all wasted. So
I'm not nervous. I just feel bad for Damon. His car. He hasn't. He hasn't. Because it's not your car.
He gets to fly into LA, jump in a supercar, and go to Monterey, and you feel bad for him.
I feel bad for you too. You want a cookie?
Yeah.
Do you want a cookie and do you want a milkshake?
Did that seem heartfelt to you? Because that didn't seem very heartfelt to me.
I'll take what I can get from Choi at this juncture right now. Oh my god, dude. Yeah. That's the clutch pack that...
That is the clutch basket. That's a basket. Damon's car is out of commission for the next month. I'm gonna miss it. I know you guys aren't gonna miss it, but I'm gonna miss it. And can you let me finish one story?
That wasn't funny. You okay? Seriously, you okay? It's really funny.
You guys are actually. I'm not coming here anymore.
Finally!
Where was I even? What was I even talking about?
Good morning, you guys. We're back here, and the show is underway. We have the Mystic Chrome 4 GT. It's the last car to come out of the garage. Good morning. The lot's a little bit more full, not just Ferraris now, it's the rest of the supercars, so. You guys remember PFS Danny? What are those?
My wife is not even letting me in the house.
Oh God, well, I don't blame her, look at this. No, that actually is really epic. So these match.
That's a good match.
Ah, all right, I see
we
what
go.
you did there. Wait, so am I matching then? I got a black shoe and a black car? No?
Yeah, it's a little boring though.
Hey, who let you drive? This is your 570 replacement?
This is the new 570.
This is the, okay, perfect.
Your new car. So now you have an Aston. The Jag is somewhere still. The Jag.
Damon means I get a Koenigsegg. They said if you know how to start it, you can own it. We have Steve's POV with the new 458 car. Enjoy. We'll see ya.
See you guys. Thanks, guys.
Let's blow up a shoe. Do you have a shoe?
I think he left a pair of shoes in the Mercy. Are we gonna blow it up if I find them?
Yeah.
Okay, then it's worth looking. Blow them both up.
Is it actually a nice looking shoe?
I hope so. I hope it's some.
No, because like this guy buys like actually really nice shoes. So if it's something really nice, then I feel bad. But, like if it's his junk shoe, then
That's the difference between you and me. Oh, score. Not only does Damon have a freakish amount of shoes in the car, we have two separate pairs.
oh god.
Which one? We have to make sacrifices so that this car makes it to Monterey. None of this stuff just happens. Damon, this was totally my idea. Mitch, prepare the explosive.
Here we go.
I don't
You ready?
I don't think the shoe's gonna get hurt.
Oh.
Oh, look! Hey, point the camera at it.
Oh.
Dude, it's not even a scratch on it. It smells kind of funny right now.
Here, problem solved.
Okay.
It'll smell fresh in no time.
Good. That was pretty good. Damon, we'll be ready for Monterey. We got your back. We got your back this time.
Damon is not a man that takes jokes well. He actually genuinely gets pissed off. So he's not like Dave. Dave can get punched around a couple of times and he'll be fine. Damon will get pissed. Oh yeah.
Dude, how many species did you go through? Wow.
I think I made a species go extinct.
They got killed by something expensive.
I know. Dude, if I was a bug and I was gonna get killed by a car, I'd rather get killed by a McLaren.
I'd rather go with like a Peterbilt or something, because the bug that hit this, because it's the nice angle, he hit that, broke God knows what a bug breaks, flew up, hit the windshield, and then like landed in a ditch somewhere. But if you go into like a truck, it's over, done. This was like multiple impacts before he finally died. Clearly.
Yep, these are mechanics.
So angry. That is, it's awesome that it's just one.
Yeah.
You know? I can't even keep a straight face. It's making my smile muscles hurt. Dude, this thing. Are you telling me I gotta stop making this song?
I already have a while ago, even though I didn't want to.
You know, the don't panic sticker on the back of the car takes on a whole new meaning when that bomb goes off right there.
Up next is Monterey Car Week, and we've got a lot of crazy planned for that. Huge drive up with some epic cars. So thank you guys for watching and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.
Hey, what if he's like coming here? He's like, I can't wait to put on my orange pair of shoes and drive out of here in my orange Mercy.
Yeah, the only pair of shoes that color matches the new wrap, and we blew them up. I don't feel bad about it.
What's the size? Oh, I can't even. 12? Somebody like go buy some new Vans.
No. He just broke these in. These are finally comfortable.
No, now you gotta